Hi folks, my name is Wes. Welcome to the Urban Sawyer. Right behind me here is my brand new 2023 LT40. Picked up a few weeks ago. Been learning a lot of really great things about how to use it. Do want to share some things that I learned, and hopefully people can learn from it. One thing in the lead up to purchasing this, and the weight, because everyone knows that a weight on a mill like this is 18 months, which is exactly what it was for me, 18 months from when I placed the order. But what do we do with our dust? So many different places, ideas of what to do with your dust. I thought about an idea, so let's try it and see what happens. So let me spin you around here and show you what my idea was. Alright, so my idea was take one of these track vacs, and lo and behold, taking this track vac, a little tiny, I think it's a 5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine. It just basically runs a little bit above idle. One thing I did have to do to make it work is I bought some filter fabric, and I just have it taped on here, and that just prevents the dust from coming out. But it's great. Used it a few times, filled it up. It sips gas, so I mean it's the best thing to use, especially if you're not close to electric. You can then hook it up to a little tiny tractor. Don't have much to move it around, and go and dump it wherever you want. Yeah, let me get everything put together here, and I'll show you guys how well this thing works. Alright, so I removed the dust chute. I just use a standard pipe clamp from your dust collection system from your table saw or your band saw or your planer. Ran that. I put two 10-foot hoses together. And that's what we get. Now I'll start it up and see how you guys can see how it all works.
Let me show you another great use of vacuum. This you guys right here.
Hey folks, I'd like to take a moment right here because I know it's kind of hard to hear with everything going on in the background. But another great thing with these track vacs is the way that they're designed. They're designed to take up twigs and they're designed to take up leaves and mulch them. So it's basically a mulching impeller that's there. So with the cleanup, all the little pieces of bark, all the little pieces of wood, it just takes them right in and mulches them up into the trailer. So another great thing about cleanup, all the little bits and pieces that are underneath can all be sucked up, and then get the majority of it off, and then blow the rest of it off with a backpack blower, which you'll see here in a few minutes. Thank you.
Well, I know it's not the cleanest. That's why we can go to the blower. But as you see, there's no sawdust for the most part on the ground. So I'll get everything all cleaned up here. And hopefully next time when I do a video, I'll have a log on there. I just needed to make some wood for a bench that I'm going to make from wood that I had probably about a year and a half ago milled on a chainsaw mill. And that's why it's so much nicer than a chainsaw mill to have this thing. But yes, if you guys have any questions about how I have that set up, please feel free to reach out in the comment section, and like and subscribe if you feel it's worthy of it. I'll try and make sure I do some more videos and be on a more regular basis now that I have the mill. And if you guys have any questions about the Woodmizer LT40, please feel free to ask. Thank you for watching.